Well, there's nothing you can do about it now. Que la chingao.
Man, that thing
Yeah, it's gone.
seems like it could blow here.
No,
in a minute.
I'm just worried about the other cars.
Yeah.
Is that, you think that's diesel?
Black smoke, so I'm thinking it is.
Well, it was white. It smelled electrical when I came out. So it was electrical, but now it's burning oil and gas and everything. Yeah. Just, she got her kid with her. Oh shit, see, it's already starting the other car on fire. Look at that. The other car's on fire now. That little Ford?
You're right.
Yep,
Sure is.
sure is.
Yeah, this is something else.
That's why I park over here if I'm away from everybody. Yeah, it's already started that other little car on fire. There ain't no fire department on this side of town?
I don't live around here. I'm looking for a motor home mechanic.
Woo! Yep.
That's gonna really go now.
Yeah, I better get back. I'll get back. It's going now. It's gonna. That other car's by the gas tank. That other little car's. Yeah, it's by the gas tank, and that other little car's on fire.
Yeah, we saw that.
That's-
Ours just popped.
Yep. Comes the cavalry.
Yep.
Fire brigade.
I seen a trailer go up in smoke, Lyman, Nebraska.
Yeah, once they get fire, it's hard to stop them. Woo. Yeah, that thing's on fire. These guys better not get too close either.
That could be tires that are going.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The whole front end's like this now. Look. The front end of the truck, it's like that now.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's really.
Come on, man. This ain't a drill.
Really? No,
This is
no
a real
lunch
thing
period.
now. This ain't no practice.
Yeah, that's too much.
Yeah. Wonder whose car that was next to it. That car's gonna be a total loss too.
Fire number 3.
Yeah. Something else going. Yeah, that's a total loss right there. That's something you don't see every day. Car burning up in the Walmart parking lot.
That girl I thought I heard, she said, that's my truck.
Yeah, the girl with the little kid.
Yeah, the one.
She had a little kid in there. Yeah, she said, that's my truck. But look, one wire catches on fire and your whole car goes, you know?
Fire department seems to.
Well, you think they'd have something set up where they... Yeah, I don't think they want to go in there right now either.
Yeah,
Till they're all suited up at least.
I'd be worried about the gas in that car.
Okay, they got water.
'Cause it's firing right underneath it.
Well, they should have tanks in their truck, a tank of water in the truck. Ain't got much pressure. Come on, get that pressure up.
Wow. I bought my motor.
Okay, now it's getting the gas. It's getting the gas. Get back. I think it just hit the gas tank. See it's going? It hit the gas tank. That's gas. Try over here. I ain't getting any closer though. Yeah. I don't really see the fire department doing much. I don't see the fire department doing much. Oh, there's the gas tank. Well, I don't think they want to go in there either. They're gonna explode. Oh, there's that lady's car. Yeah, that's my car, but that was her car over there. That was her car. The one next to it got burned.
I can smell it now.
Yeah, you can smell the fuel now. Ooh, that's going now. So that truck caught on fire, and it caught this little SUV on fire next to it. Now the fire department's closing it down. I think they're using some kind of special chemical or something. But it hit the gas tank, burned that whole front of that truck up, burned that other car up. Yeah, it's all in the Walmart parking lot here in Rifle, Colorado. So, yep, that's crazy. I'm getting the second hose out. Getting the second hose out. Third hose out. Got 3 hoses out, plus fire extinguisher. Probably some kind of chemical for the gas. Okay, yeah, I think they got it out now. Yeah, oh, that truck is toast. See if we can get in a little bit closer here. Yeah, that Dodge truck is toast. Totally toast. Yeah, well, it's still burning. Tire's still burning. Maybe some grease. It's still burning. Okay, he's got another hose in there. Yeah, they got some kind of foam chemical, it looks like they're using. Just that one little by the back tire, that's all they got left. These guys are trying to get in their car and get out of here. Alright, I think they got it out. 2 cars total. 2 cars total. Still burning underneath there. That Dodge truck and that little Ford Escape or Equinox or whatever it is. Can't even tell no more what it is. Probably both going to be totally totaled. There's still a little grease fire underneath, looks like. And now they're hooking up to the fire hydrant over there. Now they're getting city water. Whole front of that truck is just melted, basically. See if they're gonna get this fire hydrant charged up. Yep, okay, it's charged. There it goes. The thing's charged, so now they got city water. Alright, I think they got it out now. So just to recap, this Dodge truck started on fire. It smelled like electrical when I came out. I could smell it. And started this other car next to it on fire, and now they're both totaled. Fire department came out. Sorry about that. Here in Walmart. Fire department came out and did their thing, and now we're good. So I guess that's all the report from here. Is starting to get a big crowd now. Plus the wind's kicking up, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off.